Right, we should start. Okay, welcome to the EPO session. 这是教育跟业余天文的报告。So this session will be hybrid. You can use either Chinese or English. So we have 4 talks, and then followed by poster flash talks, and then we leave some time for open discussions. So the first talk will be given by Tomo from Tsinghua, and he'll talk about digital game-based learning system for astronomy. Okay, so welcome you.
谢谢大家好，我是 Tomo。今天我介绍是刚刚开发科学习天文学的互动游戏。但是我先道歉，我的中文没有那么好，所以我用英文讲，不好意思。
不会很好。
好，可以继续用中文。
谢谢。我先感谢我的，我想before starting, I want to thank my TA, Yuan Chen. He's sitting there. He's very hardworking TA. I mean, actually, half of this work is done by him, so I appreciate his help. And also, special thanks to MOE and then there's the NTHU Center for Teaching for helping this project. Okay, let's get started. So, we all have a common problem. Our students are like this, right? It's an action of my students. Okay? So when I, in my 3-hour class, often they, at the end of the class, they fall into sleep, right? So thank you. So the big question here is how we keep them interested, or how do we keep them awake? Then my answer here, or my experiment here, is digital game-based learning. Students like games, right? If you're a student, do you like games? Do you like games, right? So students like games. Then if you're playing game, you cannot sleep, right? It's very difficult to sleep. So then they focus on my lecture, okay, or physics. You might think, okay, maybe famous professor may be frowning upon, Tomo, you're using game in your class. But then actually, if you look overseas, this is digital-based, game-based learning is very common practice. A lot of examples you can find in physics. They're trying to keep students awake in all over the world. So why not use this in Taiwan? That's the idea. So first assignment that I gave the student in a semester. By the way, this is I'm trying this in my general physics 2 class for undergrad students. Okay, and I also tried this in this semester in my cosmology class.